Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Unemployment rate questions love this trap, but this one is quick. We just compare what the rate actually counts with what joblessness can still look like. The unemployment rate tracks people without jobs who are actively looking for work. So it measures official unemployment, not every possible kind of labor market struggle. Now, test the choices against that definition. A strike does not break employment. Discouraged workers are excluded, and frictional unemployment is included. So those statements miss why the measure feels incomplete. That leaves underemployment. People may have jobs, but still lack enough hours or suitable work, and the unemployment rate misses that. So option D fits. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing past definitions. Rule, trust what is given and check each choice against the unemployment rate.